Hello friends, this is Shawn Hyland from the New Jersey Family Policy Center. I am so excited to join you once again at the last stand on Monday, July 17th. It may not surprise you, but there has been a systematic attack against the biblical nuclear family, and specifically about the role parents have in the upbringing of their children. I believe, as I am sure you believe, that based upon Scripture and the foundational cross-cultural experience of 5,000 years of human history, parents not only have the right, but the responsibility to determine what is in the best interests of their child. Let's be clear. Despite what left-wing activists, education unions, and the majority of legislators in New Jersey might say, parents' rights do not end the moment they drop their child off at school. Parents know their child best and should be supported by school personnel as the parent's guide the child's mental, emotional, and physical health. Yet the Attorney General of New Jersey, Matt Plotkin, is trying to use the intimidating power of his office to force school districts to keep a secret shadow medical file on children that their parents have no access to view, even if they request it. What is this? It is their child's gender identity. The AG is using a 2006 state law that classifies gender identity as a protected class from any form of discrimination. Without question, when the term gender identity was added to the law, legislators were not thinking 17 years later there would be a social contagion of gender dysphoria being promoted in our schools that confuses children what it means to be human, what it means to be male, what it means to be female, let alone keeping parents in the dark on the emotional and social well-being of their children. Welcome to New Jersey in 2023. Yet, there is hope that change is within reach. Every state legislator is up for re-election this November. Voter turnout is normally around 35 to 40% in these off-year elections, meaning that if every conservative-minded voter goes to the polls, we can make a serious impact in restoring parental rights in New Jersey. I look forward to explaining more with you about what the Attorney General is doing to intimidate school boards and what you can do this November to make New Jersey a place that respects parents and honors God. I look forward to seeing you on July 17th for the last stand.